Natáhni, zamíř. Zamíř přesně. Tak. Drž to.
So what you do is when you pull the hammer back, so this gun's totally loaded, you have to push down the hammer before you even pull the trigger. And once you do that, it enables you to...
You know why your weapon's not shooting? Why would it not be shooting, Private? Maybe because you have run out of ammo. Maybe because you have finished all of the rounds inside your magazine. How? So now you can no longer shoot because you have no more ammo.
How did this happen? Just saw it.
You shot it all, Private.
Oh.
Private, your weapon is clear at this time.
Oh.
Step back to the rear.
Ready.
It's so small it doesn't even count.
Damn, I'm not
talking
Go.
This is the kind of ammo it shoots, 12 gauge. This is a 12 gauge birdshot. Also, this weapon has this cool feature where you press the trigger down, and once you press this down and pull it up.
50 Cent, Too Short, all of them talk about Glock 40. Okay, I'm the only one in this room professional enough that I know of to carry this Glock 40. I'm the only one. Right? No more. Is everybody all right? You all right?
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.
Hit the ground.
The gun hit the ground?
Yeah.
I was holding it though.
Yeah, so. You guys just call two over? You guys are cool with it?
That's what you do it. You see that shit? That's pure D gangster right there, boy. Ow! Ow! Oh!
Palms together. So both your hands are going to sit on the left-hand side of the pistol. You're going to lock out both your arms. You're going to push with your right and pull with your left. Focus on that front sight tip. Now, if you want on this 44 Magnum, you can shoot it single action. That's like trigger pull.
Did you mean to do that?
Yeah.